So we're making this amazing apple pie recipe from scratch. This is very easy to make. It turned out delicious, very beautiful, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I added in flour, followed by sugar, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So mix everything till well combined and go in with the butter. With the help of the fork, make sure you mash it and then until it has formed a breadcrumbs consistency. So that's what you're looking for. When you get to this point, create a well in the middle and then add in cold water. So the water, I didn't add it to it all at once, beat at a time. You do not want to add in much water, and then you do not want to overwork the dough. So once everything has come together, transfer it on your work surface, knead it for some minutes, like from 2 to 3 minutes. Once everything has come together, cover it with a cling film and then put it in the fridge to rest for some minutes. So this is the consistency you're looking for. It shouldn't be sticky at all. It should be like this. Cover it and keep it aside. Next, you're going to need apples, and of course we're making apple pie. So I used this medium-sized apples, and then I took out the skin, divided it into two, take out the core, the seeds, and then cut it into smaller pieces as seen in the video. That's very easy, so simple. If you're having a guest and you make this apple pie for them, trust me, they're going to love it. They're going to thank you, and they'll come to your house every weekend. So in my saucepan, I added in about a tablespoon of butter, and then I added in the apple. Next was sugar, cinnamon powder, some grated nutmeg, and a pinch of salt just to balance the sweetness. So stay close to it, keep stirring it. You can leave it and check from time to time. You want the liquid in it to evaporate, so please make sure you stir it. You check from time to time until the liquid in it has evaporated as seen in the video. Transfer it in a different bowl, keep it aside, and then let it cool down. Let it cool down completely. Once it has cooled down, sprinkle flour on your work surface, transfer the dough on it, and then divide it into two. One should be bigger than the other, so the bigger one, go ahead and roll it very thin. The thickness should be around 3 to 4 millimeters, and then your baking tray should be bigger than your baking tray, so roll it on the rolling pin and then roll it on the baking pan. It should be something like this when done. Cut off any excess and then transfer the cooked apples in it. Now level it, make sure it's well leveled, and then we move to the next step. So as you can tell, it is very simple, but trust me, it is easy and it's delicious. So the rest of the dough, roll it and then cut into long strips. So I measure one centimeters each, and then I arrange it on the apple pie. So that's what you have to do. All you have to do is to follow the video carefully. You remove one after the other, raise it and then put one under and then cover it again. It's very simple. Please, if you don't understand anything, go through the video and you'll get what I mean. Once done, fold the leftover under. Make sure you cut off the excess. Fold the leftover under, and then it should be something cute as this. Before baking, brush on top with egg wash and then bake it at 175 degrees Celsius from 50 to 60 minutes. 175 degrees Celsius from 50 to 60 minutes. And that's what you're looking for. Isn't it beautiful? Just look at this, guys. It was delicious. Please try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section.